We're going to do an Emma video for Grandma. Grandma? Say, hi, Grandma. Good job. Are you enjoying your animal crackers? Cookies. What's in your bowl? What's in your bowl right there? Is it mac and cheese? You like mac and cheese, huh? Emma, you say your ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Herbie.
Yes, that's Herbie down there. We're gonna go up. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. Thank you. That was yummy. Say bye-bye, Grandma.